I'm here with my Dash Egg Bite Maker. I just plugged it in, the blue light is on, and I want to make toast. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So one of the reasons why I was interested in this appliance is because of its square shape versus the Dash Mini Griddle that is round. It's hard to make a piece of toast in a Dash Mini Griddle without cutting the bread so it's round so it matches the griddle. It is possible to make toast in the Dash 8-inch griddle, but that uses 760 watts, and this Dash Egg Bite Maker only uses 420 watts. And if I am cooking off of a 500 watt portable power bank, then I can use the Egg Bite Maker, and I can't use the 8-inch griddle. So that's why I'm curious to see how toast comes out in this Egg Bite Maker. I was watching an advertising video for this Egg Bite Maker, and it said that you can make a grilled cheese sandwich in it, and that you could put the whole sandwich in here and it'll cook the top and the bottom at the same time, which means the bread on top would touch the top heated surface and the bread on the bottom would obviously touch the bottom heated surface. So I'm curious to see if that's true if I only want to cook toast. Can I put two pieces of toast in here, one on top of the other, and toast them both? The light just went off, which means this is ready to go. And let's open it. Let's be very careful. And I'm just going to put my two pieces of bread in here. It's a perfect fit. And I'm going to shut it. Okay, it's shut all the way. So let's come back in, I don't know, like 3 or 4 minutes and see what it looks like. It's been 3 minutes now, so let's open this up. Let's see what's going on in here. So the top does not look toasted. It does feel like it's getting toasted. The inside obviously is not. Let's look at the bottom. The bottom is nicely toasted. So I guess if you want to actually cook both sides of toast, you have to make sure there's something in between both layers, and that would give the pieces more height, so that way you'd be able to toast like the top and the bottom at the same time. So I'm going to keep these in here for another 3 minutes. It's been another 3 minutes. Let's open this up and let's take a look at what's going on. Once again, the top has not browned. That's okay. Here's the bottom. The bottom is browned on both sides. So we're going to test out my theory that the bread needs to have something inside of it. So I have some salmon salad. I wanted to make some tuna salad, but I reached in and I grabbed a can of salmon instead. So I'm just making some salmon salad. It's basically tuna salad, just I use canned salmon instead of canned tuna. I used to love tuna melts, which is tuna salad and cheese on toast. When I was growing up, I used to love those. I would only have them if we were eating in a restaurant somewhere. I remember eating those at like Bob's Big Boys, those kinds of places, or Friendlies. So there's the filling. I am going to put the top bread on, and then let's close this and let's cook this for another few minutes, and let's see if the top then starts to toast. It's been about 3 minutes now, so let's open this up. And look at that! The top is now toasted! So that explains everything. If you want to toast a top bread and a bottom bread, you have to make sure there's something in between those slices of bread, so that the top bread hits the top heating surface and the bottom bread is obviously going to hit the bottom heating surface because it's resting on that. Or you just need to make sure that you have like really thick bread. I'm just using standard white sandwich bread right now to test it out. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And so that's how you can make toast in a Dash Egg Bite Maker. It's also how you can make a toasted sandwich in a Dash Egg Bite Maker. And to be specific, it's how you can make a toasted salmon salad sandwich in a Dash Egg Bite Maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Let me know what kind of sandwiches you like to make in your Dash Egg Bite Maker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.